Welcome back to the kitchen, you lot. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future of food. Think you've seen it all? Think again. The culinary world's changing faster than you can say sous vide. We're talking personalized nutrition, lab-grown meat, AI taking over farms. It's enough to make your head spin. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. We'll explore the hottest trends and groundbreaking innovations. So buckle up, get your knives sharpened, and prepare to have your minds blown. This is the future of food. Future. Right, you lot, listen up. Remember when a healthy diet was just about eating your greens? Those days are gone. We're talking personalized nutrition, tailored to your DNA and gut bacteria. Companies analyze your genetic makeup, figuring out your body's unique needs. Are you predisposed to heart disease? Boom. Personalized diet plan. Got a gluten intolerance? Sorted. No more guessing games. This is about understanding your body on a microscopic level and fueling it with exactly what it needs. Imagine meals designed to optimize your energy, boost your brain power, even help you live longer. It's like having a Michelin star chef crafting a menu specifically for your cells, and this is happening right now. Companies are developing apps that analyze your meals, track your nutrient intake, and predict potential deficiencies. It's time to get personal with your plate. Your body will thank you for it. All right, you lot, let's talk meat. I know. You love a good steak, a juicy burger, but what if I told you you could have all that without harming a single animal? No, I haven't gone bonkers. I'm talking about cultivated meat. Meat grown in a lab. This isn't some Frankenstein food. We're talking real meat, muscle tissue grown from animal cells without the need for slaughter. It's got the same taste, texture, and nutritional value, but with a fraction of the environmental impact. Think about it. No more deforestation, no more methane emissions, no more factory farms. This is about producing meat sustainably, and the best part, we can control the quality. Leaner meats, healthier cuts, even meats enriched with vitamins and minerals. Imagine serving up a burger that's good for you and the environment. This is meat without the mayhem, and it's coming to a plate near you soon. Right, you lot, ever wondered how we're going to feed a growing planet with limited resources? The answer lies in the fields, powered by AI. We're talking drones analyzing soil conditions, sensors monitoring crop health, and robots planting seeds to harvesting produce. Imagine farms that are hyper-efficient, producing more food with less water, fertilizer, and waste. That's the power of AI in agriculture. It's about optimizing every aspect of food production from seed to plate. We're talking precision agriculture, where every inch of land is analyzed and cultivated to maximize yield. No more guesswork, no more wasted resources. It's about farming smarter, not harder. AI can help us predict and prevent problems before they arise. Drought conditions? No problem. AI can adjust irrigation systems to conserve water. This is the future of farming, and it's happening right now. Listen up, you lot. Ever heard the saying, think global, act local? In the world of food, it's all about eating hyperlocal. We're talking about chefs sourcing ingredients from local farms, supporting their communities, and creating dishes that celebrate the unique flavors of their region. This is about reconnecting with the land, understanding where our food comes from, and appreciating the skill and dedication of local producers. Imagine restaurants boasting menus that change with the seasons, showcasing the freshest produce, meats and cheeses sourced locally. It's about reducing food miles, minimizing environmental impact, and rediscovering the joys of truly fresh food. Home cooks are getting in on the action too, growing their own vegetables, joining community gardens, and supporting local farmers markets. So get out there, explore your local farmers markets, and taste the difference. All right, you lot, let's talk fusion. No, not the kind that blew your taste buds off in the 90s. I'm talking about the evolution of culinary fusion, where chefs are pushing boundaries and blending cuisines with creativity and finesse. This isn't about throwing ingredients together willy-nilly. It's about understanding the nuances of different cultures and creating harmonious dishes. Imagine Korean BBQ tacos, Japanese-inspired Peruvian ceviche, or Indian-spiced Italian risotto. The possibilities are endless and the results are often mind-blowing. This is about chefs drawing inspiration from their travels, their heritage, and their imaginations to create unique dining experiences. Home cooks are experimenting with fusion flavors more than ever before, incorporating global ingredients into their everyday cooking. It's about adding a touch of spice, a hint of umami, a burst of freshness to create dishes that are both familiar and exotic. So, ditch the recipe book, open your minds, and get ready for a flavor adventure. Listen up, you lot. Gone are the days when dining out was just about the food. We're talking about a culinary revolution, where dining is an immersive experience that tantalizes all the senses. Restaurants transforming into theatrical stages with chefs as performers, plating up culinary masterpieces right before your eyes. Imagine interactive projections on your table telling the story of your meal, or virtual reality experiences transporting you to the very farms where your ingredients were grown. Think restaurants with edible gardens, secret speakeasies hidden behind unmarked doors, or pop-up dining experiences in unexpected locations. This is about food as entertainment, as art, as a way to connect with others and create lasting memories. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and creating truly unforgettable dining experiences. So, ditch the boring old restaurants and seek out those culinary pioneers who are pushing the envelope. All right, you lot, let's talk vegetables. No, I'm not suggesting you all become vegetarians, though it wouldn't hurt some of you. But there's no denying that plant-based eating is having a moment. It's good for our health, it's good for the planet, and it's bloody delicious when done right. Chefs are creating innovative dishes that celebrate the versatility and flavor of plants. Imagine meaty mushrooms, smoky eggplants, and lentils that could fool even the most die-hard carnivore. This isn't about deprivation, it's about abundance, about rediscovering the joy of cooking and eating vegetables. Home cooks are embracing plant-based meals more than ever before, experimenting with new ingredients and discovering the endless possibilities of plant-based cuisine. So, get those vegetables out of the side dish purgatory and give them the starring role they deserve. Listen up, you lot. Throwing away food is like setting fire to your hard-earned money. It's wasteful, it's irresponsible, and frankly, it's unacceptable. We're talking about a global food waste crisis, where a third of all food produced ends up in the bin. But fear not, because there are culinary warriors out there fighting back. Chefs, entrepreneurs, and everyday people are finding innovative solutions to reduce food waste at every stage, from farm to fork. Imagine restaurants using every scrap of food from root to stem, creating delicious dishes from ingredients that would have otherwise been discarded. Apps connect consumers with restaurants and grocery stores offering surplus food at discounted prices, ensuring that perfectly good food doesn't go to waste. It's about changing our mindset, embracing the ugly fruits and vegetables, using leftovers creatively, and only buying what we need. So let's all do our part, shall we? Clear your fridges, sharpen your knives, and get cooking. All right, you lot, let's talk dirt. Yes, dirt. Because the future of food depends on the health of our soil, and that's where regenerative agriculture comes in. This isn't just about growing food, it's about healing the planet. We're talking about farming practices that rebuild soil health, sequester carbon, and increase biodiversity. Think cover cropping, composting, and rotational grazing, all working together to create a thriving ecosystem that produces nutrient-rich food. Imagine farms that are carbon sinks, pulling more carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere than they release. Consumers are demanding food that's produced sustainably, and farmers are responding by adopting regenerative practices. This is about creating a food system that works in harmony with nature, not against it. So, the next time you're shopping for groceries, seek out those farmers who are committed to regenerative agriculture. There you have it, you lot. The future of food is bursting with innovation, creativity, and a healthy dose of disruption. From personalized nutrition to lab-grown meat, from AI-powered farms to immersive dining experiences, the culinary world is undergoing a revolution, and it's an exciting time to be a foodie. It's about creating a food system that's better for us, better for the planet, and much more delicious. It's about understanding where our food comes from, supporting sustainable practices, and appreciating the skill and dedication of those who grow, produce, and prepare our meals. So get out there and explore. Try new foods, support local businesses, and get involved in the conversation about the future of food. The future is on your plate, and it's time to dig in.